I don't know what's going on. I don't even know what time it is. I mean, my phone says what time it is, but I don't really know what time it is. Because, I mean, we have no power. We still have no power. And, I'm running out of propane tanks to use for my heater. And it's a little heater for like a tent. We didn't think this through. And I have a little lantern. And a lot of candles. And nobody knows when we're going to get power back. Kind of screwed. A little bit. A little kind of screwed. Maybe some prayers would be good. Yeah? A little bit of prayer? Yeah?